My name's Nick Baller, I'm the Operations Director here at APT Leicester. The business itself has been going 60 years this year, which is a milestone. We make various components for a whole spectrum of customers, from the leisure industry through to aerospace. We do all types of materials. We've got 11 Star sliding head machines. We recently purchased 2 SB20s, which we're very pleased with. We exchanged them for our SA16s, which were still in very good order, still running very well, but of course going out of date. We needed to update, and which we constantly do. We've got a rolling program of keeping the machine tools up to date. And Dave, I believe, had one of the very first Star machines in the UK.
Well, in the first instance, we had a rep call in from Wickman. We got chatting and it was interesting. It was a Star machine. Next thing, I was invited to Wickman at Coventry on a launch of the machine. That must have been about 1980, 81 sort of time. Anyway, we bought the first one, and we became sort of almost the nation's biggest user of Star with 2.
Okay, we have a number of SR10 Star sliding head machines, and we predominantly use these for very small turn components. You can see it's a very small stainless steel component. Excellent machines for running this type of work on. They're both fitted with 3-metre bar feeds, which obviously means we get a lot of nights out running with these type of parts. People tend to be ingenious on how they collect very small turn parts. As you can see, we've gone for the faithful T-strainer method, which works absolutely fantastic. Very quick cycle times, very high spindle speeds, excellent. We've used Star's training a fair bit. We take on apprentices ourselves. One of the first ports of call is to send them up to Melbourne to Star and to go on their basic training course for sliding heads. We've also used very specific training courses because we have very different types of Star machines. So we have, for instance, SV32 machines, which are a little bit different, so require different amounts of training. So when the guys are competent on a basic sliding head, we then send them up to Melbourne for a more advanced training, for instance, on the SV. We've looked at a lot of sliding head machines over the years, and to be honest with you, it's Star's best. The accuracy, repeatability, service, everything that goes with it is A1. I've got no doubts that the opposition would argue, but through my own personal experience, and I've used all types of sliding head machines, I've got to say that Star are the best.